Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing also well. So how is going your practice every day? What do you
My
do for your practice?
my practice is going on fantastic, amazing, I would say. Hmm.
Yes. So what do you do for your practice every day?
Yeah, as you know, I make conversational videos, so that's all.
Yes. Yes, I'm doing practice for conversations. I use
So
new vocabularies. I remember new vocabularies every day.
that's good. So firstly,
And
hmm,
and new sentences and idioms also phrasal verb also use on our conversation.
that's
Yes,
good. Saying that you have learned so many phrasal verbs, idioms, proverbs, right? So
yes,
just would you like to share some idioms or phrasal verbs? If you
yes.
have heard, yeah, sure.
I'm sharing you one of the idiom break a leg means good luck.
Good luck.
Good
Yeah.
luck. Yes. And
And other is shake a leg. You know,
take a leg.
move fast, too fast.
Do fast.
Yeah,
You have already learned idiom.
I have learned many idioms actually, and I have
Many idioms.
on my channel also.
So have you heard these idioms? A heart of gold.
A heart of gold, gold,
Gold.
gold. Yeah,
Yes.
pure heart person, pure hearted person.
Heart of gold. A heart of gold means a really good person. Have
Yeah,
you heard?
pure hearted person, a good person, a brilliant person, a person
Yes,
who has
yes.
knows. Yeah,
For example, he has a heart of gold.
yeah. We our parents has a heart of gold, right?
Yes, yes. You can say also, and phrasal also use sometimes. Yes, and currently I'm preparing grammar also. And when I get free, so I started conversation. Any person.
Okay,
Yes.
so are you good in grammar, making sentence?
Yes. Grammar. Yes, I use grammar also.
Yeah. So can we do a session like I will speak in Hindi and you have to translate in English?
Yes. You can ask me in Hindi. I will tell you in English.
Okay. So
Okay.
हम्म, मैं काम करता हूँ.
I do the work.
मैंने काम किया.
I have done my work.
Past indefinite.
I have किया है. Not. Yes. I'm telling you. I did work. I did the work.
मैंने काम नहीं किया.
I didn't any work.
I didn't do work or I didn't work.
Didn't do work, or you can also say I didn't any work. Now,
Any is used
what
for
form?
कोई. कोई
Of what
काम.
form you can use also?
But
Yes.
I
But
am
not.
we are translating from Hindi. So Hindi, if Hindi sentence doesn't exist, uh,
You are asking me only grammar also. But I'm telling you another apart from advanced version.
no, no, actually, because if we are translating from Hindi to English, so it's
Okay,
Hindi
you can
exactly.
you can ask me Hindi only. I will tell you
Because
English.
you cannot say add your own words, right? It should be
Okay.
exactly same,
I
same.
will not. I will not add now.
Yeah. वह जा रहा है.
He's going.
वह कहाँ जा रहा है?
Where he's going?
Again, once again, try once again.
वह कहाँ जा रहा है? That's you are saying. Okay. So where he is going?
Where is he going?
तो कहाँ जा रहा है? Where
Ye-
is he going?
Yes. वह अपने घर जा रहा है.
He's going on her at home.
He is going at his home. अपने घर. His home.
हाँ, अच्छा. Okay, okay.
वह अपने घर क्यों जा रहा है?
Why is he going his home?
मुझे क्या पता?
How am I know?
What should I know?
What should I know?
मैं
Yes,
कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ.
I don't know anything.
फिर कौन जानता है?
Then what do know?
कौन?
What
कौन?
what know? Then what did you say in Hindi?
कौन जानता है? कौन?
कौन जानता है? Who knows?
Then
Then
who?
who knows?
Yes.
Yes.
शायद वह खुद.
That
शायद वह खुद.
maybe himself.
Maybe he himself.
Himself.
तुम दिल्ली कब जाओगे?
When will you go to Delhi?
शायद सोमवार को.
Maybe I will go to Delhi on Monday.
I said से शायद सोमवार को. ओनली इतना बनाना है आपको.
Okay, okay. On Monday. Maybe on Monday.
यस. अच्छा मैं भी चलूंगा.
Well, I will go also.
आई विल कम विद यू ऑल्सो.
I will go also.
या. वह कहाँ रहता है?
Where is he
वह
lives?
कहाँ रहता है?
Where is he lives? Means
रहता है.
what?
कहते हैं प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट.
Yes. I'm getting your point because you can use in Hindi ta, te, ti, last word. Where is his?
इज
Is he live?
हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ कंटीन्यूअस सेंटेंसेस, राइट? तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट वी हैव
Are
टू
using
डू डज.
only ta, te, ti in Hindi? You're not using रहा है रही है.
आर यू यूजिंग इज वर्ब?
Yes, I'm using an helping verb ta, te, ti. Okay.
ओके. अब फ्रेम अगेन सेंटेंस. वह कहाँ रहता है?
And verb yes. वह कहाँ
वेयर.
रहता है? You asking me.
वेयर.
You asking me that वह कहाँ रहता है? You asking me in Hindi, so I have told you that's answer. Where is he lives?
Wrong sentence. You should say where does he live? Does would be the helping verb.
Does
Yes. Yes.
where is where does he live? Right? Yeah.
तुम कहाँ रहते?
Where do you live?
मेरे पापा कहाँ रहते हैं?
Where does live my father?
Where does my father live?
Where does my father live? Okay.
तुम जहाँ रहते हो मैं भी वहीं रहता हूँ.
Where do you live? Then I live also
There I also live.
there. Okay.
चिड़िया पेड़ पर रहती है.
Bird is lives in a tree. On the
Don't
tree.
use is use नहीं होगा इसमें. Bird
Bird lives
lives
in tree.
on
on the tree. Yeah.
वह वहाँ क्या करती है?
Okay, okay. Does where does he? Where does she? Where does he
Yeah.
doing?
What?
Does do?
What does he do there?
What does he do there? She do there.
What does she do there?
Do there. Okay, okay.
वह अपना घोंसला बनाती है।
What is your saying?
वह अपना घोंसला बनाती है।
It's make is means she's made make on nest on her nest.
He makes her nest or it makes its nest
Yes, yes, yes.
और रहती है।
What you saying?
और रहती है।
रहती है और रहती है and lives.
मैं कल दिल्ली जाऊंगा।
I will go to Delhi tomorrow.
कल दिल्ली मैं कल दिल्ली नहीं
I
जाऊंगा।
Delhi tomorrow. मैं कल नहीं जाऊंगा. Okay, I will. I don't go to Delhi. I will not. I will not go to Delhi tomorrow.
मैं आज जाऊंगा।
मैं आज जाऊंगा. Okay, I will go today.
मैं कल जा रहा था।
मैं कल जा रहा. I was going yesterday.
पर जा नहीं सका।
But then I could not go.
अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ
Now I'm thinking.
मैं कब जा पाऊंगा।
Then when I will go. I could
एंड वुड
go.
एंड
I would go. I would go.
कब कब जा पाऊंगा।
When I
व्हेन
would
वुड
go. When
व्हेन आई
would
गो।
I? Because would we can use present
नो
also,
फ्यूचर
not
पॉसिबिलिटी।
future. Because for future you can use will, right?
नो
You can use only will future for future plan. For example, I will go tomorrow. Okay. So would you
एक्चुअली आई
like to
वांट टू
tea or coffee? Would you like to tea or coffee? So you can use would
यू
and
आर राइट
present
बट you are
present.
not why are you not listening me? I don't understand.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm listening you what you are saying.
You are only talking and I am trying to say something, so you are not listening, you are just talking. So first you clear your thoughts, whatever you want to say, then I will say. Okay, say whatever you want to say.
Yes, I am talking to you. That I'm asking you. That will use you can only use future for future. For example, I will go to market tomorrow, and you can use would. Would you can also use present duration. Okay. So would you like to tea or coffee? Would you like to have some water? That's that's example.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah, now you are asking, so I will reply that will and would both are will is also used
Both
as
are
helping
different.
verb.
Both are different. Will or will
You
or
are
would.
asking
Both are
me,
different.
if you are asking me, so let me complete. Otherwise, you can speak. I have no problem in it.
Okay, okay. You can ask now. I will not ask anything.
Yeah, whenever I am trying to say anything, so you just speak. So I am not getting. I forget my points also. Whatever I am trying to say.
Yes, 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 definitely.
Bad habit of yours, I
Yes,
must say.
you have a lot of grammar knowledge
Because I
about
teach.
grammar.
I am habitual of teaching grammar. That's why.
You are
But you,
habitual.
but you are not ready to listen me. So that's why. Times it's very frustrating that
Yes,
you are saying just only you, and when you are asking me, am I right? So I am trying to say something, and then you are speaking. How?
okay,
First, let me complete, then you will speak.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, definitely.
Hmm. So I am saying will and would both are different helping verbs, and would is for used for future indefinite, right? And for future possibility, like I will go, I will come, like this. When you are not sure, but will is also a modal. Do you know about modals?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So will and would both are modal. Would is also modal and will is also modal. So in modal, will is used for promise, राइट आई विल हेल्प यू लाइक कि मैंने तुम्हें प्रॉमिस कर दिया कि मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करूंगी करूंगी तो आई विल हेल्प यू देन इट इज ए मॉडल ओके इट इज सो योर एक्सप्रेशन helping expression and would is also a model that has a different possibility like as you say in your example like would you like to have some coffee tea so offering something and for past possibility like कि मैं
Might.
हाँ might is different would is different so like this के मैं तुम्हारा अगर मैं ऐसा करता तो ये होता like this so
Yes,
past
yes.
for past एंड फ्यूचर ऑल्सो लाइक फ्यूचर पॉसिबिलिटी के मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ जा सकता हूँ है ना मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ जाऊंगा हो सकता है जाऊं तो फ्यूचर की पॉसिबिलिटी है श्योरिटी नहीं है पॉसिबिलिटी
Yes,
होगी तो फिर वुड यूज होगा आई
yes,
वुड
yes.
गो विद पॉसिबिलिटी मीन संभावना कि हाँ हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है मैं
Maybe.
चलूं
Yes, yes.
यस so I would go with you it means that I am not sure but I would go or not it is not sure but I am saying if you say I will go it means that I will surely go.
Yes, yes,
This
definitely.
is the difference between would and will.
Yes,
Now
many.
you are now you got it. I think
Yes, yes, I got it.
yes.
Also,
Okay. So anything if you want to ask me, you can ask. Otherwise, I will advise you to keep practice and practice as one sentence daily. Like present indefinite, sahati hai. First translate in Hindi, then English. Oh, so why this? If you practice, then you can improve your fluency very well.
yes.
Because when we
Uh,
speak, yeah,
can you give me any example for
yeah.
many idioms? Any idioms? Because you have a lot of idioms about grammars and also idioms and phrases.
First,
But
I
I'm just
you
trying to learn these
as
are
as we have practiced Hindi to English in this video. So I have noticed something that sometimes you stuck in framing sentence right, and sometimes you make wrong sentence. You actually your concept I think sometimes it is clear, but you forget at framing. The time of framing you forget sometimes. So I would suggest you to clear your concept, practice small sentence daily because sometimes what people do they ignore small sentence and they want to learn advanced. It is very good to learn advanced level English, but your basic structure should be clear. It should not be mistaken by you. So present indefinite is very simple sentence. Like मैं खाता हूँ, I eat. मैं जाता हूँ, I go. Like this. Once when you completed a present indefinite, then you can move to the past indefinite, then future indefinite. Like this. So always try to practice. When you are alone, you can say मैं खाता हूँ, I eat. मैं नहीं खाता हूँ, I do not eat. मैं जाता हूँ, I go. मैं नहीं जाता हूँ, I do not go. वह जाती है, she goes. Like this. Right?
Do not, you can say contraction in English, don't.
Yeah, don't. Don't is for increasing your fluency and speed.
If you want to improve your fluency fastly, so you can use contraction word.
Yeah.
Also, wanted to, wanna, should have, shoulda, kinda, this type of word models.
But
Yes.
you know, it is good for speaking. But when you attend any like professional, I would say professional meeting or anything, so you cannot use this word. These are
Yes, sir.
not.
But you cannot use in grammars. Yes.
Yeah, it's a casual for casual conversation. It is
So
okay.
if you want to fast improve your English, so you can use contraction word in American accent.
So first, I want to know from you that if your sentence maybe I you want to say that I go daily, right? मैं रोज जाता हूँ. आपको इतना छोटा सा सेंटेंस बोलना है किसी को, लेकिन आप कह रहे हैं आई गोना गो लाइक दिस. आप गोना तो यूज कर रहे हैं पर वो सेंटेंस ही गलत बोल रहा है तो कैसे काम चलेगा? पहले तो आपको बेसिक क्लियर होने चाहिए ना. अगर
Yes, yes.
क्लियर नहीं है और आप एडवांस लेवल के सेंटेंस बोल रहे हैं तो फिर वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा
Going
ना.
to, going to,
या
gonna, go to go, gotta. Also, shoulda. I have many contraction word remembered. Also,
that's good, but I would suggest you to first work on your basic part, then move on advanced.
yes. I'm doing focus on my grammar also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Yes, definitely. Nice to meet you.